Hey beauties, it's DeeBeauty here, also known as Shyhaze, and I'm back with another video, y'all. I'm back with a banger, I'm back with a good one. So I definitely hope you guys are ready to see this video, because listen, I'm super happy about how these nails came out. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going for a glass tip look, and I'm using press-on nails, and I'm only using gel polish. So if you thought this was going to be a video about acrylic, it is not. If you thought this was going to be builder gel, poly gel, extensions, anything, it's not. It's just gel polishes for those who are interested in making press-on nails as well. So I'm going in with this milky white, and I'm putting it about a little bit less than halfway of the bottom of the nail, and we're going for a soft ombre into the glass tip. Also, while I'm doing that, just to let you guys know, most of the products I'll be using today is from Macart, so you guys could actually save money off your next Macart purchase by using the code DeeBeauty. Also, I'll have the links down below, and just to let you guys know, they are affiliate links, so definitely make sure that you guys do purchase from that. It will definitely help me out a lot. So like I said, we are going for a glass tip, so I will be using a gel top coat on the tip part of the nail, and I'm not touching the milky white gel polish as of yet, because I want to make sure that I at least have the tip very clear before we do any ombre work or before we do any blending work at all. So after I go in now, I am making sure that I do wipe my gel brush for the top coat on the side before I put it back in the bottle to help me blend out any of the extra colors. So I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna repeat this step throughout the rest of them. I'm gonna cure it, and then I'm actually gonna do another coat. So I am doing 2 coats of this, doing the same process. So we got the milky white halfway, almost halfway on the nail, and then I am gonna use the top coat because I feel like that it kind of gives a more glass look, because it is a gloss. I like to put that on the tip instead of a base coat, if that makes any sense. I mean, you could use a base coat if you want, but it don't matter. Anyways, you guys, I'm just gonna keep repeating this for the rest of the nails. And in order to actually blend out that milk white into the top coat, I like to just dry my brush off on the side on the paper towel, and then I will slightly bring up that milk white into the top coat to create a smooth transition. Anyways, we are going to add glitter, and we are going to add some foil in order to make sure that that blending don't look weird as well. So you could also switch up the colors. You could do a blue instead of a white. You could even reverse it, do the glass on the bottom and then have the white on top, but that would be like low-key a French tip. But anyways, this is definitely a classy look. You could use this for a wedding, just for going out. I'm definitely thinking about doing this in different colors for you guys as well. And if you guys do like any videos like this, definitely comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also click that little notification bell, y'all. Click that little notification bell. So these are the nails after they cured. I do cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds each layer, just to make sure everything is dry. Just to let you guys know as well, the glitter I'm using is from the Macart Pink Kit, which I do have a video on, and the gold foil I'm using from, you guys can find on Amazon or any other place that do sell nail products. And the base coat, I'm actually putting that on now. The reason I'm using a base coat now instead of a top coat is because I like the tackiness of a base coat, and I feel like that holds the glitter on just a little bit better than the top coat. So I'm going to apply that onto all of the nails. And the top coat and the base coat I'm using is also from Macart, and that is from the blue kit. They do sell everything separate as well. They do sell everything separate as well, so you guys could find that on our website. Again, the code that you could use is DeeBeauty, and I am putting a base coat on all of the nails. Also, just to let you guys know as well that the rings that you guys seen in the beginning of the video, I will be leaving the links down to that very soon as well. Those rings are definitely coming soon, as well as more press-on nails, you guys. I am starting my own press-on nails. If you guys want, you could follow the page now, which is at ODDrip on Instagram, and I'll leave that down below in the description box as well, so you guys can follow that page until that business actually fully launches, so you guys can actually be in tune and you guys would know what's actually coming out. And I'm so excited about that. You know, you gotta do what you love. So I love making press-on nails, and I definitely love jewelry as well. So why not just share that excitement? And a lot of people always have questions on it when I wear it, so I figured why not sell it to everyone as well. So definitely don't forget to follow at ODDrip if this is something that you're interested in. If not, don't worry, just subscribe to this channel and you guys could always stay tuned on how I make my products. Also, I'm thinking about having a series, but we'll get more into that in a later video as well. Going back into this, I'm just actually adding the holo glitter, the iridescent glitter onto the nails, and I'm only doing it in the middle of the nail just so that could low-key ombre in as well. So I want to go from milky white ombre into glitter, and then ombre back out into this glass tip. Y'all, I just love how this came out. Like, and it's so easy. Like, you don't have to smell any monomer from the acrylic. You don't have to worry about having a little dapping dish with alcohol if you're using any poly gels or builder gels. Like, this just makes it so much effortless, easier, it's quicker. The nails are definitely strong because of all of the layers of the gel as well, so you don't even have to worry about your gel nails breaking. And the tips that I use are steady as well by themselves, and the tips that I'm using is also from a cart as well. So I'm just gonna go in now. I'm gonna prep my gold foil. This is a rose gold foil. I also do have gold and I have silver. You could use any shade of foil for this look, which makes it so cute. Like, so I'm going in with this brush. I'm adding the foil on just to let you guys know as well that the brush that I'm using to add this glitter and the foil is actually one of my makeup brushes that I don't use anymore. So I'm just using that in order to apply the foil and the glitter, and then I'll actually go ahead and I will put this into my lamp for about 60 seconds as well. Then I'll go in, top coat it again one last time. That'll seal everything, and then you'll have the finished look of the nails. So this is actually it for the video, you guys. I'm gonna stop talking and then again just watch the rest of it. You'll see the finished look at the end, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you guys would like to see more videos, and turn your post notifications on. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best.